cussing at me?
Spicy rap.
Alright, bro, what's going on YouTube? I'm too lazy to make the intro. I was gonna do it like the standing up intro or whatever, but it's Friday, posted 40 minutes. I still haven't made the thumbnail yet. I get some like Surron writing in the background at least. Today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys if you can replace your Surron with your car. Alright, bro, well, I'm a fucking dumbass, and I said replace your Surron with your car, but I meant your car with your Surron. Just like started editing it, and I was like, oh shit, I gotta redo this shit now. Enjoy the video. Blah blah blah. Peace.
Stacking up that pay, put on for the city, made it happen. Should've seen their face, they can't believe I did it. Started rapping, finally found.
Alright, so before we head out, we have to pack some stuff in a backpack that I got right there. The first and most important thing you want to have is a lock. I have some random $19 chain lock from Amazon, so gonna go ahead and put that in the bag. The next item, you know, of course, if you're gonna do some tasks, you're gonna want to carry around your money. Alright, we're gonna put that here. That I like to do, I like to carry my AirPod. I put one in one of my ears so I can still hear everything that's going on, but I could also vibe to music. And last but not least, you need, of course, your Surron and your gloves and a helmet. Make sure you wear a helmet. So now, let's put the backpack on, head out. Yo, my belt came off. No way. Bro, no way my belt just snapped. Alright, so I just replaced the belt. No, it's a simple task. Nothing crazy. First stop on the list is the bank. Oh my goodness, it feels so better with like this new belt, bro. What the hell? Feels quicker too. Alright, so first stop is the bank. Let's go. I gotta deposit my last paycheck. I think it was like 200 and something. Oh, it sounds so much cleaner too. Oh, I don't like that. Don't snap on me again. I don't even know how it snapped, bro. I didn't even do nothing crazy for it to snap. So that was weird. Oh, wait. Yo, the torque is so much crazier, bro. What the hell? I forgot the bike was like this. This whole time, I had a belt that was like dragging me back because it was like so wide that I forgot how torquey the torque controller really is, bro. What the fuck? Look, 26? Oh shit, I overestimated. 25? Oh my goodness, yeah. Hold on. 28? Yo! Alright, we're gonna go through the ATM because I'm lazy. I don't have to go around. Alright, bet. Let's deposit. Hello, bank. Insert my card. Oh, yeah. Let's see how much it is. Oh, I can't do folded ones. Alright, let's see if all of them go through right. 287, yeah, that's about right. Alright, next stop would be the shops, but I'm on a time crunch. So I'm gonna just show you that you guys, bro, I've been to the shops multiple times on my page. I think there was one video that I went to like 3 shops back to back. But as you can see, I'm making it easily through the plaza, you know. There's Home Goods there, Burlington. This is where I do most of my shopping. You see, you just park it, lock it. Nobody steals it. They have cameras in case. What's food? We're gonna go through a drive-thru and see if with a Surron you can go through the drive-thru. There's a Burger King right here. Front of slides to the Burger King. I'm gonna just troll. I'm not even hungry, bro, and I can't eat because I have to cut down weight for wrestling, bro. I have to cut like 10 pounds in a month for season, bro. I'm pretty sure Burger King was like the one that had the fucking, hold on, nigga. They don't have the Kaisen at me, but I'm gonna just troll and play the fucking. I'm gonna play the fucking bust down Rolly Avalanche shit.
My name is John. I'm at help you today.
Yeah, y'all got that Kaisen at me?
Spicy wrap.
No, the chicken Big Mac.
At Burger King?
Alright, bro. Soul food? Yes! That's a yes to food, because I could have gotten that chicken chicken Whopper or whatever the fuck. Whatever the fuck they have at bitch ass Burger King. They go, who the fuck eats at Burger King? Alright, so ding ding ding. Food, yes. Bada bing, bada boom. What's next? Oh, hold on. I need to check. Hold on. Now, I gotta get a haircut. Let's see if I can get a haircut on the Surron, bro. I've done this shit before, like last year. I haven't done this shit in a minute. So, boom. Look, calm wheelie brake. That was a short-lived wheelie. I don't know what the hell just happened. This is how you take shortcuts. How to wheelie your Surron area. If you know, you know. If you're a real OG. Bro, the Surron's like whining, bro, with this belt. I don't know if I could hear that. That motherfucker. Bro, it's not a Hellcat, nigga. Alright, man, let's go get that motherfucking haircut. I don't want to, like, fucking leak the spot. So, I'll see y'all when I get the haircut. Alright, man, we just got that motherfucking haircut, boy. Now we out. Heading out. I think the last thing, what was the last thing? Last thing is if you can have fun. You know, you might be running your errands, but you still gotta make some time for fun. So, with the Surron, of course, you can have fun, because that's what it's meant for. The Surron is so, like, so capable. You can do so much stuff with just a little bike for the price of $5,000. Bro, their Surrons are so overpriced, bro. I don't get why. I'm so glad I bought mine used for even less than the price of a XXX. Bro, if you're planning on upgrading your bikes, like, don't get a freaking... If you're planning on upgrading your bike, bro, don't get a... What's it called? A brand new Surron. Because, I mean, you're going to get rid of those parts, the parts that cost that much. So you might as well just buy a used one. Even if it's broken. Bro, that's what's really cool to me. Buy like a broken Surron, like one that they don't know what the problem is. Just replace the parts, make it a 72 volt, add the fucking battery, the controller, and boom, you got a budget 72 volt built Surron, bro. I don't get why people buy Surrons for 45 just to upgrade them and get rid of those parts. That's stupid. Very, very dumb. Oh yeah, bro, it's so smoother with the new belt, bro. Oh my goodness, I've been missing out on this whole time, bro. 6, 7, I just been straight on the highway. Then he died. Bro, I thought that was a police car for a second, fam. I don't get why, bro. People that buy Ford Explorers, bro, get that to scare what's called people. Has to be. Cause why else are you getting an Explorer, bro? Oh, this is the perfect spot to learn how to wheelie, bro. Yo, empty parking lot. Yeah, bro, oh my goodness. Perfect spot to learn how to wheelie. Literally go faster than any car. Hold on. Nigga told me to pop it up, hold on. But there's a fucking slow ass car, bro. She said, Oh yeah. Alright, bro, now I do. Yo, that's a dope ass car, bro. But I gotta go tell bro that. Going to the other lane. No. Alright, bet. I'll just come right here. What the fuck? I love the car. But I don't think he understood what I was trying to say, but whatever. Yeah, bro. I think the fun criteria is the one that the Surron succeeded in the most. Maybe because it's made for it. I want to say as a vehicle, you know, it's better if you live in a city that's more like compact, you know, not like a little town where the shop is like 10 miles away or whatever. But yeah, it could definitely work, take place of a car. It's basically like a moped, but more fun, and it's electric. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next video. Goodbye. Bro, I'm getting fucking hunted down right now, bro. That nigga's chasing me, yo. What the fuck? Bro, that nigga was just chasing me, bro. Yo. That's a Camaro. Yo, I did a wheelie past that car. Yo, oh my goodness. I didn't realize I was doing a wheelie on the sidewalk, and I glanced over, and I just see bro chasing me. Okay, now he's leaving. Yo. What the fuck? Bro, I wish I got the whole thing. I literally looked back, I'm like, yo, isn't that the Camaro from before? Yo, and then bro chased me. Bro thinks I'm gone, but I'm right here. Yo, hold on. I want to head back, but that's gonna cause more trouble, bro. How did bro follow me all the way down there? Oh shit, my dad's calling me. Alright, that's time to head back, y'all. Yo, holy shit. Bro, I just did my outro and everything, and I was like, yo, what the fuck, that guy's chasing me.
Stacking up that pay, put on for the city. Made it happen, should've seen their face. They can't believe I did it. Started rapping, finally found a way. Now we got 7 figures. When people see me out, they just say, hey, Ty, can I get a picture?